Next segment, we're going to show you how to actually install the bladder that you have now rolled. You can see this is the one I demonstrated in an earlier video. The installation is very simple. We used a Boston valve with these air bladders. You can see that I've already pre-installed the other 4. A Boston valve is a kind of a 2-part valve, I guess. It's got a bulk fill and empty, and then it's got a smaller diameter valve that will stop the air from escaping. It's especially useful in some of the later clips. We're going to show you how to tune this thing up and fill it a little bit at a time without it all leaking out at you. So let's get to it. All right, so these are access zippers. Each one has one. You're going to open this up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your rolled section. You are going to put it inside this access zipper here, kind of just run it up to the top. The next thing, you open up the end of the valve, or the bladder rather, and you are going to put it inside. It's pretty straightforward. Not a lot of tricks going on here. We try to make everything as easy as possible. Get it in there, line up your valve, push it through the hole, and then you take the 2 parts of the Boston valve, put this one on so you make sure that when you close it, it threads in. Okay, just press that over, take your ring. This is gonna hold everything together. Cinch it down, and then sometimes I just find it easier, take your roll and just give it like a little shove up to the top. It'll fill in later. We're gonna do that next segment. Next, we're gonna show you how to inflate the wall and install the topper.